When I have a knife out, you know what's coming up. A pretty epic unboxing.
Let's get it. Yeah.
Greetings, comrades. This is I'm Caleb, back with another unboxing video. A sort of special one. I actually have this unboxing, and I have another unboxing coming on later on, probably next week, because, well, I might as well say right now, I ordered a new Steam Deck, the Steam Deck OLED. For those that haven't watched my videos, I mentioned that I gave my original Steam Deck to one of my nephews, because, well, I hardly used it ever since I got the Switch OLED, but probably misses having the Steam Deck, so I decided to order a new one. It should come, probably not this week, probably next week, we'll see. But I got a little unboxing with a few goodies in here, and in case you're wondering why I have quite a bit of stuff now, well, we already got the new roof a little over a week ago. Looks great, by the way, and won't go into too many details, but we recently got the life insurance check for my father. I miss you, Dad. And for his final wishes, he wanted us to split it between his children, his grandchildren, and my two brother-in-laws. I'm not going to say how much it is, but needless to say, it is a very generous amount. And no, I'm not blowing it all on video games and stuff. I'm actually saving some of like an emergency fund in case I need to get a new car, or God forbid we need to get a new water heater or AC or anything like that. So I'm not blowing it all on games, but that being said, I'm still planning to just spend a little bit here and there, but I'm not going to go crazy or anything. Like I said, I'm trying to be conservative with that. But that being said, I decided to order a few things just to get these out of the way. And I mentioned the Switch. Now I have the original Switch and the Switch OLED, which are both awesome systems, but now I want to version a little more portable, so I can bring with me while I'm like you know, having an hour-long break at work or anything like that. And I decided to get myself a Nintendo Switch Lite. Naturally, I went with the blue one because blue's my favorite color. And yeah, this came out 2 years after the original Switch came out back in 2017. This came out in 2019. Then 2 years later, we got the Switch OLED. And there you go. But yeah, I definitely want a more portable version of Switch, but the Switch is already a portable console. But this is quite a bit smaller, and it does make a few sacrifices compared to the original Switch. For one, you can't dock this Switch, so you can't play it in TV mode or anything like that, which means it'll only be compatible with handheld games, which is definitely quite a bit of them. But anything that requires like docking the Switch and playing with the TV, you can't do it with this. Though they do sell like a third-party like dock accessories where you can still like, you know, play it in a stand mode while it's charging and stuff like that, but not quite the same. But there you go. Another thing that's probably the big obvious one, there are no detachable Joy-Cons. The controls are built right into the Switch Lite itself. So yeah, you're not going to be taking these out and playing around with that. And playing with multiple players, they can use separate Joy-Cons for that. And one thing you'll notice, it uses a proper D-pad instead of the 4 directional buttons the Joy-Con uses. And the screen is a little bit smaller than the original Switch, but it does mean the pixel density is a little better. Yeah, not too much in the package, just a little dinged up, it's no big deal. Yeah, I had to go with blue. And naturally, it just comes with a console and a charger, that's it. Yeah, very simplistic packaging, but you know, it's definitely a simplified console compared to the original Nintendo Switch. But yeah, pretty simple. Thought I was going to use a knife for this, but I guess not. Slide it out. Here it is. Take this out. Here is the Switch Lite itself. Yeah, really small. Yeah, almost looks like a. It looks like a. It kind of reminds me of like a old tablet. It kind of reminds me of my first tablet I had like forever ago, except it didn't have built-in controls and stuff. And you know, the instruction manual, you know, don't eat it, don't put it in the microwave, you know, don't feed it to your dog or anything like that. And the charging adapter. You'll get more for basic than that, because again, this is a more portable version of the Switch. You can't dock it or anything like that. You can't remove the Joy-Cons. It's meant to be its own separate portable system, which I really appreciate. And here's the adapter. You've seen it before. Type-C naturally. Let's go and take the Switch Lite out of the packaging. And I will set it up after I finish recording this stuff, because I got a few more things in this package here. And here's the Switch Lite itself. Hello. But yeah, it feels surprisingly comfortable, despite the... It kind of mimics the appearance of the Joy-Cons. Yeah, same joysticks and everything, but again, we have a proper D-pad instead of the separate directional buttons. But yeah, again, you can't remove these Joy-Cons. Well, you can't really call them Joy-Cons because it's built into the console. So yeah, you can't remove these, and you can't dock it. But it still has NFC, still has HD rumble and the gyroscopic controls and whatnot. And I just spit on the screen there. Yeah, it feels really good. I'm gonna charge it first before I do anything with it. But yeah, nice to have a much more portable Switch. I'm looking forward to playing Vampire Survivors and Capcom Arcade Stadium on this. So yeah, definitely gonna get that charged up. Now, I was originally gonna get just a screen protector for the Switch Lite. The screen protectors, you know, love it or leave it. I personally have more peace of mind knowing that my screen's not gonna get scratched by my expensive electronics. But you know, I was gonna get just a screen protector, but I said, you know what? I saw this online on Amazon. It has a lot of really good reviews, and it comes with quite a bit of stuff for your money. And it's actually from a company I actually had the previous case for, AORUS. I actually bought a carrying case for the original Switch, and there's a little care package for the Switch Lite, the Switch Lite Essential Pack. Now, it does have screen protectors, but it has a whole lot more, which will, yeah, I'll sit right here. Yeah, it comes with a carrying case, a couple of screen protectors, a comfort case, which is pretty interesting because, again, you see the Switch Lite's pretty flat, but with this, it actually had some grips, or as Matt Little Pixel likes to call them, butt cheeks, and gives you a little extra grip when you're holding the Switch Lite, so that's pretty handy. Earbuds, which I'm not going to use because they're probably going to be crap. Let's be honest, they probably are crap. Another Type-C cable, a couple game holders, games holders, which is, I would say having these is kind of redundant because the carry case also comes with the screen game holders, and a stylus pen, which I've heard is kind of iffy. The plastic's kind of mushy and stuff, but I don't care. Again, I mainly got this for the screen protectors, but all this other stuff for the price, can't argue with that. I thought I was going to need the knife for this, but I guess not. AORUS, join us and be first to know of special promotions and newest releases. Okay, I got a few, designed in London, okay. We've got a PC gaming kit here, gaming headset, the Essentials kit for the Nintendo Switch, the original. I think they make some for the OLED as well. And Google Stadia, yeah, everyone's favorite console ever. How's everybody enjoying cloud gaming on that? What was that? Okay, I heard nothing but crickets. Yeah, about what I expected. Anyway, so here are the screen protectors. Huzzah. And here's the carrying case, which I'm going to assume everything else is inside it. Yeah, I may or may not use the comfort case for the Switch Lite. Yeah, it's definitely small. In fact, let me get my other AORUS case. And how convenient, it has my original Switch in there as well. So here's the original Switch case compared to the Switch Lite. Yeah, it's not much more. Might as well take out, might as well, let's already have it out. Yeah, I usually take this whenever all my breaks at work. Now I have something even more portable. so I can get this strap off. So yeah, here's my original Switch, and here's a Switch Lite. See here, definitely quite a bit smaller. Yeah, though it's actually the same. It's actually the same depth, but yeah, width-wise, definitely much smaller, and probably can't tell to here, but yeah, the screen is definitely small, but it is the same resolution. It focused on my popcorn ceiling. Weird. But yeah, much smaller case. To me, it looks like a Switch Junior. And here are the other goodies. Oh yeah, didn't mention this in the box. It comes with little thumb caps. Okay, so here's the. We put the Switch Lite. Here the 5 we can store additional games, and here are the other goodies that it comes with. It's the earbuds that I'm not going to use. The stylus pen, which I'll probably use. I'm not sure if it's an actual pen as well, but yeah. Got the Type-C cable, which I may or may not use. I already have the charging adapter there, so that. And a games holder. I always say games holders. I feel like it came with multiple ones, but we can store 2 games there. You can store 4 more games in here, as well as the 8 additional games you can put in here. I like how this comes with a zipper, so you can put your cable in this little pouch here. Okay, now for the other stuff. Here are those thumb caps. We got some pretty standard height ones that are a little bit higher, and ones that are a lot higher. So, yeah. Oh, I didn't even notice that. And here's the comfort case that you put in the Switch Lite. And it comes with a kickstand, which is pretty handy. So in case you are playing the controller, you can use like that. Though look like the plastic's not that you can see the pre-production growth there, but I'm sure it'll do the job. See how easy it'll fit in there. I'm not sure how much in terms of protection it'll provide. Make sure I don't break the light bumper there. There we go. Okay, it feels a bit more comfortable. In addition to these grips here. And I like how the kickstand doesn't cover up the Type-C port, so you can still charge it this way. Okay. Yeah, the plastic obviously feels kind of cheap. It's not exactly rubber, it's sort of like a softer plastic. It looks like it might hold up, but I'm not going to test that out. And you probably notice it matches the color of the Switch Lite, because these Essentials kits come in a variety of colors. And let's see if it'll actually fit in this case. It'd be weird if it didn't. It fits. Nice. Yeah, I may or may not leave this case on. I'll always buy a different protective case if I want to. But yeah, feels nice. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and charge this, and I'm going to clear this area up and show off the other 2 things in the little package, which they're not that big, but you know. Okay, right now the Switch Lite is charging and updating, so I figured I'd show off the last 2 parts of my little care package here. First one is pretty simple to get out of the way. A little 256 gigabyte SD card for the Switch Lite, because yeah, pretty much like the original Switch, it only comes with 32 gigabytes of in-system storage. So naturally, you're gonna need a bit more. So that's where this comes in. I'm gonna format it for use of that. Now the last thing, yeah. As some of you know, I love 8-bit dough. I actually been wanting to review this controller for a while because I've had the original controller. But I decided to get another one, but this one's special. This is the SN30 Pro Bluetooth controller, but this is a newer version. Well, this clear purple color's been around for a while, but earlier this year, 8-bit dough started releasing some of their other controllers, including the SN30 Pro and the Pro 2, with Hall effect joysticks. Now, for those who don't know, the ultimate Bluetooth controller is the first 8-bit controller, to my knowledge, that utilizes Hall effect joysticks. They're not as accurate as you would like to. They're about as accurate as regular potentiometer joysticks, but the upside is they'll never drift on you. And even if they do, you can update it to the software, recalibrate it, and you'll be good to go. That happened to me once, but after recalibrating it, it was good to go. But it's not a complete perfect circle you run through gamepad testers, so that's a bit of a bummer. But anyway, I decided to get another one of these. Maybe so I can have another Pro Bluetooth controller, play the switches and whatnot, and also for the Hall effect joysticks. And while I had this out, I actually pre-ordered the new Pro 2 controllers. I ordered one. I almost actually ordered two, but I only wanted one. They released two new versions of the Pro 2 controller. Will come next week. There's a translucent green, and the one I ordered, translucent blue, which again will have Hall effect joysticks, but I have all the features of the Pro 2 and then some. So yeah, crystal purple there. It's already slung out of the box, so I might as well just let it out so it wants to get out so bad. Anyways, oh, it comes with little thumb caps, nice. And yeah, funny thing about the SM30 Pro, they recently released a few limited edition metal wired SM30 Pro controllers, one in like silver, one in gold. They're sold out. I was half tempted to get one of those, but $100 a pop. Figured, nah. And Mad Little Pixel covered the controller. There's no friction rings around the thumbsticks, which means it'll actually wear out the paint on the thumbsticks, because even the thumbsticks are metal and painted. So yeah, it was a bit of a turn off. So good thing I didn't get one of those. Definitely wanted one of these because I really like the SM30 Pro. Fun fact, the SM30 Pro is my first ever 8-bit controller, and a really solid controller at that, but the Pro 2 improves it in so many ways. And here we go. Yeah. Nice classic Super Nintendo theme design, but with the addition of Hall effect joysticks. I was trying to connect to something, which I will connect it or connect to the Switch Lite or the OLED, whichever one. But yeah, it's pretty much the exact same as the regular SM30 Pro, only in a translucent purple casing, and as of early 2024 with Hall effect joysticks. So don't have to worry about stick drift, at least not in your lifetime. So might as well get this charged up, and yeah, nice little unboxing here. So got my new SM30 Pro controller that's still flashing. Got a Switch Lite, a little accessory pack for the Switch Lite, and of course some memory for the Switch Lite. Righteous. Now, the Steam Deck OLED, I'm not sure it's going to come, but I'm definitely going to have a video up when it does come, or at least sometime after. But anyway, this is Caleb signing out. Have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it in fast, yeah. Got a girl that she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,